Welcome, guys. I've seen that if you go on Roblox, they're having some technical difficulties. That's okay. I don't know how all my friends are playing Roblox. I don't know how this guy is playing Blackhawk Rescue. Okay. He's one of my friends. I met him in a B-Tools game, and he became my friend. Copyright artist. I haven't played that in 1 or 2 years. Um, Today I'm going to show you how to import a image on Photoshop, but like my version, because I've seen a different version on Mac. Like I realized I have a MacBook Pro, not a MacBook. Um, yeah. So all you have to do is just click this area. Actually, you have to right click it. Um, I thought it worked. It didn't. Um, I'm just X out. Never mind. I'm not gonna teach you that because I have no idea how. I have no idea how to import, and also I have no idea how to get out. What the? Bing and a bomb. Can I get out of Photoshop? Thank you. Um, this thing I thought was a recorder, but it's apparently like an editor for like diss tracks and stuff. GTR, I have no idea what that is. Copy cloner. Finder, I don't need that. So comment down below what you want me to play. And I'll search it right here. Um, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search. I have no idea. Yeah. Images, because yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. This dog is like, I have no idea what I'm doing. He became a meme. I have no idea what I'm doing. Wait, different. All the dogs that are in the internet on Google is just. Eh. Dog, you're gonna die. You don't even know how to drive a plane. I have no idea what I'm doing. What the? Why? Why?